Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Steve in Minnesota on the new RCI 99N4 by Ranger. Steve got it ready to go for you, bud. Electrolytic cap upgrade, clarifier mod, tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, wideband receive mod. Those of you who hadn't watched any of these videos, I've got dozens of them out there, but here's your on-off switch for your amp. Your radio is going to do about 40 watts or so PEP with the amp off. So let's flip the amp on. We're going to start with the RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug, just a hair under 25. Roll it all the way up. 125. I'll show you average power swing. Hello, 225. 500 watt slug in PEP. Hello. 500 watt slug all the way in the corner. Go ahead and show you sideband. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hello, 1 2. Talking just a hair under 500. Talkback, echo. You got your A through F band on high, and then also on low, so it goes down to 24. 265, and it will go all the way up to 29,655. All right, Steve, it's ready to come to you, bud. I appreciate it once again. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum up.